Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through building your first chatbot for college projects. A beginner-friendly guide I wish every ICT student had on day one. Whether you're struggling with coding, confused about the right technology, or overwhelmed with choices, this tutorial will simplify everything. Let's get started. Many ICT students hit the same obstacle when creating chatbot projects. They don't know where to start. With too many technologies like Python, JavaScript, Flask, Node.js, and Dialogflow, students often feel lost. Add coding anxiety and the pressure of deadlines, and the project becomes intimidating. But don't worry, after this video, you'll know exactly what to use and how to begin. Let's start with the number one recommendation for beginners, Python. It has simple syntax, allowing you to focus on logic instead of complicated rules. It also supports fast prototyping, perfect for college timelines. Plus, powerful NLP libraries like NLTK, Spacey, and Chatterbot make text processing super easy. When you defend your project, you can confidently say, Python was chosen for its simplicity and powerful NLP libraries that help develop chatbots quickly. Next is JavaScript, the perfect option for web-based chatbots. It runs directly in the browser, so no installations are required. It blends smoothly with HTML and CSS, making it ideal for websites, school portals, and online demos. And the best part? You can deploy JavaScript chatbots instantly using platforms like GitHub Pages. If you want your chatbot to be AI-powered without doing heavy coding, then Google Dialogflow is your best friend. It comes with built-in NLU, which means it understands user intent automatically. You simply drag, drop, and design conversation flows visually. Plus, it integrates easily with websites, Messenger, and more, giving your project a professional finish. For backend development, we have two strong options, Flask for Python and Node.js for JavaScript. Flask is lightweight and easy to learn, perfect for small systems or prototypes. Node.js, on the other hand, is ideal for real-time applications and chatbots that require speed and concurrency. Choose Flask if you want simplicity. Choose Node.js if you want performance and scalability. A professional chatbot needs a clean interface, and that's where HTML, CSS, and JavaScript come in. HTML gives the structure, CSS adds the design, and JavaScript provides interactivity. Using these three, you can create a responsive chat window that works on any device. During your defense, instructors love seeing a working interface. It proves your chatbot is functional and user-friendly. Once your chatbot is ready, you need to deploy it online. Good news, platforms like Render, Railway, and Python Anywhere let you host your project for free. No server management, no complicated setup. Just upload, deploy, and share the link during your project defense. Now let's talk about the part many students worry about, defense justification. Here's what you can say. Python was chosen for its simplicity and NLP libraries. JavaScript works across all browsers without extra installations. Dialogflow provides AI-driven intent recognition. Flask or Node.js was used for lightweight, scalable backend development. These statements show your instructor that you chose your technology wisely. To help you stay organized, here's your clear roadmap to building your chatbot. Project assessment. Decide if it's web-based, mobile, or desktop. Technology selection. Python, JavaScript, or Dialogflow based on your skill level. Development. Start simple, build a prototype, focus on core features. Testing and refinement. Test with classmates and fix edge cases. By the end, you'll have a working prototype, documentation, and strong justification ready for your defense. And that's your complete guide to building a chatbot for your college projects. If this helped you, make sure to like, share, comment, and follow for more ICT tutorials and beginner-friendly tech lessons. This is Sir LD from LD Tech Lab, helping you learn smarter, not harder. See you in the next video.